Chris Gold and the New Old Things. And one of his current bandmates, who I know and like acquaintances with, not super friends with, his girlfriend got into some crazy accident, and that's how medical bills go. They suck like that. And he's trying to sell like his guitars and shit to pay for it. But like I know this guy and I know these guitars, and I'm like, nobody really wants him to have to sell those things. You know what I mean?
Alright, so right here, just for the video's sake, he stands up here, and he fucking pulls all these motherfuckers, dude, and it's absolutely insane. He just hops down off of the ledge onto this branch, and then hops back up, and it catches him in limbo here, and they go back and forth trying to get him. That'll make sense in a minute.
Fair enough. Wait, is this getting posted online where people can hear my dumbass voice?
Oh yeah.
Oh crap.
I can set it though after.
No, it's all good. I don't give a fuck. More of probably shouldn't have me talking about people's actual names around where I live.
That shit, dude.
Not that I care. Chris Gold makes good music, so.
33,000 XP in one pull.
That's crazy. That's a lot.
Got a
When
green.
I walk up.